If you're an oral surgeon or a dentist out there, I have a question for you. How many times have you had a patient come in, usually in the very end of the day, the last few hours, in terrible pain, and you either say to them directly or maybe you just say it in your head, I wish I had some type of magic wand. I could just touch that area of pain and give you some type of relief instantaneously. Well, I know I've said it many times. And in my years of experience of working with patients, I've found that the Orca products are about as close to a magic wand as any product that I've been able to work with out there. As providers, daily we have to triage patients and make the tough decisions about the hierarchy of care. And many times we do have patients come in and we know they're in terrible pain, but when you look at the triage level of care, you know they're not going to have a major episode over the weekend. There's not enough hours in the day to treat every single patient in pain, and I have to make those tough decisions. But as a caring professional, like I know you all are if you entered this profession, it hurts us to have to turn somebody away without being able to offer something to alleviate that pain. However, as we look around, we know there's a terrible society-wide problem with opioid drug abuse and substance dependence. And we don't want to contribute to that by just throwing another set of pills at them until we can see them again. However, we want to give them something. And I've found that Orca tends to be the best bridge from the time I can give them some sort of relief to them, I can actually offer them definitive care of anything that I've been able to find out there on the market today. In Orca, the greatest thing is it's natural, essential oils. It's drug-free. It does not contribute to any type of the drug dependence program. And unlike opioids, it doesn't just mask the pain. It actually treats the source of the pain. So it's not like they're going to have to pop another pill when it wears off. It is an amazing product. And one of the best things about the product I've found as I've coached patients on how to use it at home and as I've used it in my clinical practice is the consistency of the product. It's a putty. So instead of being like a gel or a liquid that just kind of goes everywhere in the mouth, you can actually roll it up into a small ball. And if someone has a fracture or a large carious lesion, you can actually pack that right into that little area, almost like a sedative restoration to hold it in place. And that's what we want. We want the pain relief to be in contact with the area of the pain for the longest amount of time. And Orca is great at doing that. So you can actually treat the area that hurts instead of having the patient have their whole mouth numb except for the one spot that hurts them, which happens a lot with the liquids and gels. Now, Orca is now offering some professional line of products with Orca Foam and Orca Liquid, and I found that's great in my practice at treating post-operative pain control, specifically with dry sockets. It's got all the efficacy of the Orca Pain Relief Putty, but it's in a liquid form that can be saturated onto an Orca Foam sponge and then put directly in the site of the exposed bone, so it holds it in place, again, for the best pain relief. The great thing is that the Orca Foam's already cut into pre-cubes, so you don't have to waste a lot of foam, you don't have to do a lot of cutting, you just soak it, pack it in the socket, and sit back and watch your patient's facial expression change as they finally feel pain relief. I want to encourage as many people as possible to try all the Orca products because I can't say enough about them. And so you can experience the magic wand of pain relief that I've been able to experience in Orca.